Hey guys, welcome back with another video with Mrs. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be updated with more videos. Alright, so today is the day that you guys are going to get ready with me and glammed up. So if you guys want to get this look, please stay tuned and let's get on with the video. Okay, so let me keep you guys updated on how my pregnancy is going. It has been going quite swell. I say swell because it's been going alright, because like literally every day I have always been in pain, and I feel like, I don't know, like I said, the physical therapy, that's like not helping. I feel like it's just making my pain go worse as each day goes by. And I'm just taking a Maybelline concealer. I know y'all probably wonder where are my kids when I'm filming. At this time of day, they're always napping. So in my free time, I like to film because they're not as loud. Now I'm going to take my beauty blender and just dab all my concealer. But yeah, if I can do makeup like all day, every day, I would. But my kids are like always fighting. I have two kids right now, a boy and a girl on the way. They're just always fighting. It's just like, seriously. Okay, now I'm gonna put a base. I'm just gonna use my Dominique Latte palette. I'm gonna use this color. What color is that one? Oh, Vanilla Cream. I'm using this one. I just got eyeshadow under my nail. My goodness. And I'm just taking a flat like brush pretty much. I'm just gonna set it all over my eyelid and my brow bone. I'm gonna do a cut crease pretty much. I hope I can accomplish that. So for right now, first step, I'm gonna be using the Hush Hush. I'm just gonna use eyeshadow, the crease eyeshadow. And then I'm just gonna go on top. Basically just going on top on my crease. Okay, next color I'm going to use is the Mystic, which is that bad boy right here. The eye crease brush. I'm going to answer one of your guys' questions, because a lot of you guys basically asked the same question but in different like wording pretty much. You guys said, well, based on my last video, you guys said, why am I not a makeup artist? Well, my story to that is because I just don't feel like I'm as good as others. I know I can like go to school for it and everything, but I feel like since I have two kids, well, three basically, I'm not gonna have as much time to basically have patience for that. So I don't know, I like looking at other people's YouTube makeup tutorials and like just Instagram pictures of how they do their makeup. I just practice. I've been doing makeup ever since I was in I was a freshman in high school. I used to have a I used to have another YouTube. I think I still do. Yeah, I do. But I don't know. I wasn't able to log back into that one. I started doing that YouTube channel, yeah, when I was a freshman, when I started like freshman year. I would do it with my sister or my friends. So yeah, and overall, I didn't fulfill my dream. So now I'm gonna take a Q-tip. That's what a Q-tip looks like. Just kidding. And I'm gonna use a little bit of baby oil. And I am going to clean up my base and basically line it up. So I'm gonna use my Master Conceal, the Maybelline one. And I'm just gonna put it on my eyelid and cut the crease. I'm gonna do it off camera though, so my battery doesn't go to waste. So I'll be right back. Okay, now that I cut my crease, I am going to be using the Mystic again. Well, actually, wait, no. First, I'm gonna take that Hush Hush color and I'm gonna apply it all over my base. I am going into that Mystic color that I showed you guys earlier. And I'm gonna apply it to the corner of my eyelid. Yeah, let's go. We're gonna go into this ballsy color. It's so cute. And I'm gonna spray my brush with a little bit of the setting spray. Blend in that Mystic color along with the ballsy. My glitter primer. It's by Beauty Creations. You guys, so I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a happy New Year's and thanks for getting ready with me. Bye.